All right, I've popped the lines 3 inches from the 2x, which would be about the side of the window. This is so they can get down the staircase, so she can get down the staircase without bumping her head, even though she's short. So now I'm cutting where that line is. Gonna be a little bit of that to get there. We're gonna get there though. Well, what we're doing now is cutting all these loose from here. They got nails at an angle down through right here. And also there's nails in the floor joist over into it. So what I'm gonna do is take a bigger pry bar, open it up so I can get a saw blade in there easier. And this is what I'm having to do over and over. So I gotta do that here and here. And this one I have to reach from above up on the floor. And then I'm done with all the cutting loose. Then I'm gonna put screws in this through this board into here to hold the floor in place, and not let the walls fall open, something like that. So we're gonna encourage it to stay here by putting 3-inch screws right there. All right, see you in a bit. Now we drilled a hole right across the top of the plate, the doubled up 2x there, right across the top of it, so we could pop a line when we drilled a hole over there, and then drilled a hole here, and we pop that line and be right along the top of that. This will let this side go up when we cut this. So I'm using a skill saw, and kind of awkward. Set the depth a little less. I think I'll just move my ladder. This is where a cage was, chain link fence cage. And we cut a bunch of tree limbs to get the cage out. We're sitting on top of this. So up in that pine tree clay, climbed and cut off all the limbs so that we could go up with this project. Whoops, a little beyond my reach. We started jacking up, but realized I missed one, which is proof that I am not perfect. So right here, I've got to pry open this, cut it, and then cut through here so it will let go. So while I'm taking a pry bar and checking them, but this has been, when I pried it broke, it's pulled the screw through. So here's what I'm doing.